What began as modest open houses and Armed Forces Day celebrations at CFB Cold Lake has grown into one of Canada's premier aviation spectacles, the Cold Lake Air Show. In decades past, these events invited the public onto the base to celebrate Canada's military, offering aircraft displays, flyovers, and the chance to meet those who serve. Over time, these gatherings evolved into a full-scale air show, now attracting elite performers, international participation, and tens of thousands of spectators. The Cold Lake Air Show is more than just a showcase of air power. It's a tradition that brings generations together to celebrate the skill, courage, and teamwork behind every flight. Today, the Cold Lake Air Force Museum helps preserve this legacy, showcasing programs and artifacts from decades of awe-inspiring displays. Thank you to the town of Bonnyville for making this series possible, helping us connect past and present, one story at a time.